Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by authenticating so you can fetch datasets and run code. Place your Kaggle, JSON in ~, Kaggle/ and chmod 600 to secure it. This lets the CLI work. Once done, install the Kaggle package with pip and verify access with Kaggle datasets list. Next, create a new notebook on Kaggle or clone the project to your local machine. Choose GPU or TPU in notebook settings if your model needs acceleration. Make sure your working directory contains the kernel or entry script to start execution. Now prepare the environment so runs are reproducible. Download datasets with Kaggle datasets. Download and unzip into a data/ folder. Keep paths relative. Install dependencies from requirements. TXT or create a conda environment, pinning major package versions to avoid surprises. Once done, set environment variables and Python path for your project and confirm the selected hardware, CPU, GPU, TPU, matches your code. If you're running locally, consider Docker to match Kaggle's runtime. On Kaggle notebooks, execute your notebook or script and watch the logs for errors and performance metrics. Save checkpoints and artifacts to the output / or working directory so they persist. Once finished, export models and push the notebook to Kaggle or submit predictions via Kaggle competition submit. Make sure to tag the kernel and add a clear README. If things go wrong, first inspect runtime logs, then confirm package versions and data paths, often clearing the cache. Restarting the kernel or reinstalling a conflicting package resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.